Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. So today's video I'm excited because I am bringing you the FENUGREEK hair mask that you all asked for. I'm excited to share that with you because it's super simple, it's super easy, it's really quick, and because you asked, I am bringing that video for you. But before we get into the video, I want to shout out to our sponsors for today's video. Today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring and impactful classes. They have classes ranging from art, graphic design, business and social media development, videography, and also personal development. So if you want to invest in yourself and your personal growth, I think Skillshare is a space and environment for you to be able to do that. So as a person who is in a creative space, I do YouTube and I also want to develop my social media platform. So I recently finished a class on iPhone photography essentials, so just kind of helping me to know how to take pro photos with my iPhone, and I found that class to be very engaging. I really discovered a lot of things that I probably took for granted. So generally the creative side of photography is what we were learning in that class. So if you guys are interested in learning literally anything, you can find those classes on Skillshare. I will encourage you to sign up in the link below and start your free 1 month trial, and you can attend as many classes as you want in that 1 month. So let's get to the FENUGREEK hair mask, you guys. So I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of FENUGREEK seeds, and this is how the FENUGREEK seeds look like. If you're using the powder, I would encourage you to use 2 tablespoons, and that will be enough for the application, for one application. I'm going to go ahead and put my warm water to kind of help out my fenugreek to swell up quickly. If you can, you can also leave it overnight and your fenugreek will have time to swell up and be easy for you to blend. But because I'm using it today, I'm gonna leave mine for about an hour, and this is how it's gonna be looking like. It brings out this yellowish kind of water that you can actually use to apply on your hair too. I'm gonna try that very soon. But this is after 1 hour and my fenugreek has swollen, and you can see the seeds become really big and they are ready to be blended. This is very easy to blend when the seeds have swollen, and I find that warm water really helps that process to happen quickly, but you can also leave it overnight for the seeds to swell. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them in my little blender. This is my juice blender, and you can use whatever blender you have. Again, this works for me, and because the fenugreek has swollen, it's very easy to blend. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend. This is really quick, very easy. It takes literally like a minute for it to blend. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to sieve my fenugreek, and you can use whatever sieving material you have. I'm using my weave cap to sieve it, but just make sure that you remove all the particles of fenugreek so that you don't have that in your hair. So I'm showing you how they are right now. Those are the particles of the fenugreek, and I want to make sure that I sieve it so that it's more smooth. So I'm gonna go ahead and just sieve my fenugreek mask, and then after that, this is how my fenugreek is looking. This is a smooth base. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna, stir it up so that it's not as thick and it blends together. And I'm gonna show you that this is how it is looking like. It's very smooth. There are no particles, as you can see, and so this is very ready to be used. So I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how I use it, even though I've showed it in a past video, but I'm going to show you how I use it on my mini braids. As you guys already know, we are doing mini braids as our way of, protecting our hair and also growing our hair. So this is how I've been using it for the past 1 week. I've just been having my hair in mini braids, and then I am putting my fenugreek, and you can see that my hair is shining, and I just applied on my mini braids literally and then washed them out. And so this is how my mini braids are looking, and I'm gonna have my shower cap for about 30 minutes and it's ready to be washed out. And you can see that my hair was a little bit sticky because of the fenugreek, but yeah, it's very easy to wash out, you guys. Very easy. If you run the warm water, the fenugreek is gonna come out. And this is how my hair is looking, and you can see my scalp is pretty clean. And yeah, so this is how my mini braids are looking. So it doesn't matter if you have your hair unraveled or your hair in mini braids, you can still use fenugreek hair mask and it will work absolutely fine. And my hair is really thickening out because of the fenugreek. I can see the difference. So yeah, this is how I want to show you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and thank you Skillshare for sponsoring this video.